Hello everyone, welcome back to SkillWeb. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to change page size in InDesign. So let's get started the video. First, open your InDesign document that you want to change the page size for. Go to the File menu at the top. Select Document Setup. This will open the Document Setup dialog box. You will see the current page dimensions listed under page size. To select a standard page size, click the page size drop-down menu and choose from options like letter, A4, A5 and more. If you need a custom size, enter your desired width and height below in the width and height fields. Click OK to apply the changes and your document will now reflect the new page size. So there you have it. If you found this tutorial helpful, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for more interesting videos.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.